Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the current deals, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. Is this top from Free Assembly. So this is newer, has that elastic, the little tie through the sleeve, elastic on the wrist, relaxed fit, seam fit through the back. Also comes in the green. These are regularly $24. They're now on sale for $16.10. Gingham dress from Free Assembly is also on sale online. So it has the thin strap, that plunging V, tie, elastic at the waist, fit and flares out, and then the seam through the back. They're regularly $32. They're now on sale for $22. Time and True linen wrap skirts on sale online. So these have that flat front, has that wrap look. It's midi length with the slit, elastic through the back. Regularly, they were $18.98. They're now $8.90. Comes in this green and pink print. They also have a white and navy print. Joggers from Celebrity Pink are on sale online. They have that high-rise drawstring, the true jogger bottom, little flat pockets, and then the same fit through the back. We saw them in the denim. I'm only saying the khaki, but both of them are on sale online. Regularly $18.50. They're down to $5. These from Time and True are on sale online. These have a crew neckline. It's called the Slub crew neck. It's a relaxed fit. They have a bunch of colors online. They're down to $4, regularly $7. Also on sale from Free Assembly, and these are online only deals. They have that crew neckline, puff sleeve, ribbed. It's a textured sweater material, same fit through the back. And these are regularly $22 online right now. They are down to $10 and change. Also comes in this light blue, and it looks like online they also have a stripe option. Also on sale, it looks like they don't have them in store, but the cardigans from Free Assembly with just the gold buttons, not this ruffle trim, are down to about $10 and change. They have the same relaxed wrists. There's a bunch of colors, so really good for under $11. They're usually regularly $25. Free Assembly bootcut jeans in select washes are on sale online, so they're the same rise. They have the whiskering, regularly $26. They're now on sale for $13. Also on sale online only are these eyelet dresses from Free Assembly. It has the thin strap, square neckline, eyelet through the front, the little tier, fit and flares out with the smocking in the back, and they're regularly $36. Online they're $21.99. Comes in the white and then also in the navy. Front patch wide leg jeans from Free Assembly in the beige color, on sale online. So they're high rise. They have the two pocket. They have a bunch of different inseams. So the blue wash I don't think is on sale, but there is a beige. Regularly it's $28. It's now on sale for $12.61. The Time and True t-shirt dresses are on sale online. So they have that crew neckline, relaxed fit, right above the knee, lots of colors. These are regularly $9.98. They're now on sale for $7.98. Double flat pocket button-down shirt from Scoop is on sale online. These have a smaller collarful button on the wrist. They're regularly $22. They're now on sale online for $9. Also on sale is this dress from Free Assembly. So it has that scoop neckline, flutter sleeve. It's a flowy fit with the belt. Comes in the green. Also comes in this blue. They were regularly $28. They're now on sale online for $11.30. The Gloria Vanderbilt button-down shirts, not in this print, but in the white, and then also a lot of the other colors, they're on sale online for under $10. So they have that smaller collar scoop, seam detail in the back. I think they're regularly like $22. Lace trim tanks from No Boundaries are on sale online. They have that thin strap, V neckline, skirt in the back, comes in the black, also in white. Regularly $5.98. They're now on sale for $3.53. The No Boundaries long shorts are also on sale online. So these are high rise. It's a relaxed fit, that seam through the back. Regularly They were $15. They're now on sale for $10. Scoop dress in the light blue color is on sale online. So it has the scoop neckline, buttons fit and flares out, that same kind of fit through the back, and they're regularly $26. The blue is going to be on sale for $15.60. Also on sale are these dresses from Scoop. So they have that plunging V, flutter sleeve, elastic under the bust, a little drawstring, flowy, has the same fit through the back. And these are now $10. They were regularly $26. These dresses from Free Assembly, they have that flutter sleeve scoop neckline, smocking with the tier, that same fit through the back. And they are down to $9. They were originally $28. So new top and skirt set from No Boundaries in this white and blue print. So this one has that plunging V. It has a little puff sleeve, pearled buttons. It's a flowy skirt, and the two pieces are on sale for $11.07. So new online only gauze dress from Time and True. So this has the flutter sleeve, elastic, it's flowy. That's what the material looks like up close, and then that same fit through the back. I'm pretty sure these are on sale. Item from Time and True with a little sheer with the cami underneath. On sale for $8.35. Really good look for less from Time and True. So it looks like this is very similar to a skirt by Velvet and Graham. That's $260. These have an elastic waistband, a drop tier. On sale for $8.91. Flutter sleeve Time and True dress. So this one has that ruffled neckline, tie detail, flutter sleeve, relaxed fit, has that drop tier, same fit around the back. I think this one's on sale for $10.77. Also new colors in the swing tanks from Time and True. So these have the plunging V, sleeveless, flowy, the seam detail in the back. In the fuchsia, they have a gray. There's red, green, blue. I know we also saw a chocolate brown, and they're on sale for $5.59. No sleeveless gauze top. This one has that rounded neckline, the little V, relaxed fit through the front, seam through the back. We saw some other colors. We also saw the shorts. They're available online only, and they're on sale for $9.46. Flutter sleeve rib top from Time and True. So I shared these in my last haul. They are 93% viscose, and then the rest is spandex. Has that scoop neckline, flutter sleeve, this little twist. I size down to the extra small. It comes in white, green, black, and on sale for $7.97. Shorts from Time and True. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, nice relaxed fit, seam through the back in this white and blue. They also have some other prints online. There's that green palm print. There's solid options. Regularly $14.98. On sale for $6.49. Shirts from Time and True. They have an elastic waistband, side pocket, nice flowy fit through the front and the back. The material is that like shiny kind of linen look. Comes in this solid white, also in this blue and white stripe. On sale for $10.49. New colors in the tier dress from Time and True. So they have the scoop neckline, tiers all the way down, same kind of fit. Now in this oatmeal, we saw red, green, rust, black. On this side they have this new light blue, and then also a new gold, and on sale for $9.98. Colors in this acid wash t-shirt dress from Time and True. So they have a crew neckline. It's a relaxed fit, the little pocket. In the acid wash green, black, that white and blue stripe, the black and white stripe, and then on this side they have a new burgundy, and then also that new baby blue, and on sale for $5.94. New dresses from Time and True. So this one has the smaller collar lapel button with the drawstring, the little tab sleeve. First time we're seeing it in the chambray. We saw it in the black and the green and one other color. It has that same fit through the back. I think they have one other chambray option online, and they're on sale for $9.01. Colors in the Time and True dresses. So these have that high neckline, sleeveless. I've shared these so many times, but now they have, it looks like fall colors. They have the rust gold, navy green, black. The black and white stripes also new. The beige and white coral navy. Oops, I said that. On this side, we got the burgundy. I did an outfit idea with that one. Turquoise, and those are on sale for $7.92. So with that asymmetrical look are these tees from Time and True. So these have that crew neckline, has the dolman sleeve, this little tie detail. These have really good length. Comes in green, there's black, pink, and white. $6.92. They're return. These are a Time and True high-rise jogger. They have the elastic waistband, drawstring, pocket, that true jogger bottom, and they're on sale for $13.31. Tanks with the thicker straps from Time and True. This has that thicker strap, square neckline, button through the back. They have a bunch of different prints and colors, and then on sale for $8.45. Time and True, it has that elastic long sleeve with the little button, full button down, this little tie detail, same fit through the back, and these are going to be on sale for $8.91. Colors in this acid wash tank from Time and True. So we saw the purple and black. Now it's in this white and black and blue. They have that high neckline. They're sleeveless, nice longer length. They're soft and stretchy in the blue, also in the white and black. And they're not on sale for $6.64. Linen pants. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, cargo pocket, same fit through the back. In the True Linen color, also comes in the black. They were originally $21.98. They're now $12.98. Item for May from Time and True. It has that crew neckline, drop sleeve, relaxed fit through the front and the back. Comes in this ombre blue. There's a green mineral wash, also the black. And then above there's a beige and mauve, and those are on sale for $6.64. The ruched Avia capris are on sale online, so they're high rise. They have the ruching. They have a bunch of colors online, and they're down to $8.98. See them in store, but the Athletic Works short sleeve Butterworks tees. These are the long sleeves. They're down to $4.98, regularly $7.98. So they're more of a boxy fit, but this is what the texture looks like. I think they're all gone. Hello Kitty sleep pants are on sale online. They have elastic waistband. It's a hatchy material, straight through the leg. I think these are regularly $13, or maybe $9.98. I think they might have went up, but they're now down to $5. It's a really soft material. Shoulder bag from Time and True is on sale. So these have that buckle. It has the top zip, that seam detail. Regularly $25. They're now on sale online for $14.98. Looks like in store they're $13. Bag from No Boundaries, also on sale online. It has that shoulder strap, the little ruche detailing. They have the little buckle on the side, and the black also comes in pink. They're regularly $18. They're now on sale online for $8.32. Chanel wallet on a chain. Looks like it's on sale in store, and then also online. Has the little flap. How pretty is this green color? I also like that it has the silver hardware. Regularly, I think these were $17. They're now on sale for $9. And then this bag is actually cheaper online. It's $8.27. Has that top handle, also the crossbody strap. These were regularly $17.97. It's $9 in store. This print in the wallet from Time and True is majorly marked down. So this has that top flap, has that little zippered compartment, the side pocket, lots of room. These are regularly $13.97. It's now on sale for $6.94. This shoulder bag from Fiorelli is on sale online. These have the adjustable buckle, that little side. These are down to $11 and change. I think the floral is like $14. Big totes from Jessica Simpson down to $19, regularly $35. So it has that braided strap, nice roomy inside with that side pocket. I don't see it here, but the nylon bag like this from Time and True is under $10 in the black. It's a really good Prada look for less. Has that flap. So that's what the material looks like up close. But I don't see it here. No Boundaries backpacks are on sale online. They have that top handle. It's a nice thicker material. In the sunflower, also in the black, down to $13.99. They were regularly $19.98. Deer foam slippers are on sale in store and online. So these have the platform, really plush, in the green, also in the camel. These were regularly $24. They're now on sale online for $7.60. Looks like in store they're on sale for $10. Recent high top sneakers on sale in store and online. So these have a little bit of a platform lace up with the Mickey, also the skeleton jack, regularly $28, on sale for $10. They have the Sally on the one side. Looks like the Mickey ones are a little bit higher. The men's George flip-flops, these look pretty good. They're on sale in store for $10, regularly $16.99. Online they're down to $5. So these have that arch support. It's like a rubbered material. Boundaries heels on sale in store and online. They have that round toe, the strap, chunky heel, regularly $22.98. Online they're $14.48. In store they're $17. Just like a good basic black heel. Dong style sandals from No Boundaries on sale in store and online. They have that square toe kitten heel. This is like a pony hair material. They're $13.99 online, $13 in store. These are on sale in store and online. They have that square toe, little wrap detail. These are a designer look for less. Regularly $22.98, now down to $17.49. Sides are also on sale online. They have that square toe, gold hardware, almost completely flat. Regularly $12.98, on sale online for $8.18. They also come in that multicolor option. These sandals from No Boundaries are on sale online. They have the round toe, that grommet detail, sling back down to $11.31. Regularly $19.98. Also on sale in store and online. They have that square toe, that crisscross detail, the little wrap with the zipper. Regularly $19.98. They're $16.16 online. These are on sale online only from Time and True. They have that double buckle, the braided detail in the beige with the gold, brown with the silver, down to $19.98. Online, regularly $22.98. And end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.